Hello students, now we will study human blood and circulatory system. The red color fluid in the human body is known as blood. Blood is a tissue made of fluids, cells and fragments of cells. Its main function is to transport substances such as digested food and oxygen to all parts of the body. It also takes part in the removal of waste material from the body. The blood is made of tiny cells called corpuscles and a liquid named plasma. Plasma is straw-colored fluid that makes up about 55% of the total volume of blood. Red and white blood cells and the cell fragments are suspended in plasma. Plasma help in the transport of food, carbon dioxide, waste and salts. Blood cells suspended in plasma are of three types: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Red blood cells are the most abundant cell in the blood. These cells contain a red color pigment called hemoglobin. It is the hemoglobin that carries oxygen and transport it to all parts of the body. Red blood cells 99% of the total volume of blood. Red blood cells appear in red color due to hemoglobin. They are continuously produced in some part of the body such as marrow of long bones, ribs. There are about 4 to 6 million RBCs per cubic milliliter of blood. Red blood cells are nucleusless and their average lifespan is 120 days. White blood cells are colorless cells without hemoglobin. They are the largest cell of the blood. They fight against infections and protect the body from foreign particles. The foreign particles include germs and bacteria basically. WBCs are like soldiers that protect the body from various infections. White blood cells make up only 1% of the total volume of blood. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. Platelets are small irregular bodies present in the blood. It is also known as thrombocyte. Its length of lasting time is only for 10 days. Platelets are nucleusless blood cells. They contain essential chemicals that help in clotting. The main function of platelet is to prevent bleeding. Platelets are produced from cells in the bone marrow. There are about 1.5 to 3 lakh platelets in each milliliter of blood. Functions of blood are: it transports oxygen, hormones from the lungs to the cells. It carries carbon dioxide and waste product to the lungs. It fights off disease and infections. It transmits heat, regulating body temperatures. Now, blood circulation. Our body, in fact all multicellular organisms, have a specialized system to transport nutrient and other necessary material to the cell and waste away from the cell. The transportation of nutrients, gases, waste and other substances from one part of our body to the other part is carried out by blood and is termed as circulation. The organs responsible for the flow of blood and lymph through various parts of the body constitute the circulatory system.